Hey guys, welcome back to WebTech tutorial. Today I'm gonna show you how we can find our friends on Google Chat. If you are new to this channel, make sure to subscribe our channel and don't forget to hit the bell icon to be updated with our new videos. So, without any further ado, let's get started. First of all, make sure you have downloaded the application. Next, open that application. Then you will see new chat option. You have to click on that. And you can search the name of your friends or his or her email. Here you can see your friend. Now you can text them. So this is how you find your friends on Google Chat. Hope you find this video very helpful. If you find this video helpful, make sure to give us a big thumbs up and we'll see you in next video. Till then, have a good day. Bye bye.